Okay, here's the start of our trailer build. I got all my pieces cut on all my angles, and I have notched out all my pieces for my welds here. So we're gonna start tacking her together, and then we're gonna build the other side and do the same thing. And then when she's all put together here, we're gonna throw her on the trailer, the frame itself, and then start putting plywood on. Okay, so we got it tacked together. This chunk of steel here is just so I can get it square, because the actual trailer that I have out back, the bed of that is what the rest of this frame is going to be welded to. So I'm going to get the base frame welded together, square, cut those tacks, do the next one, same thing, get the trailer in here, and then weld this onto the trailer. Well, I got one side done. Now I'm working on the next one. It's all square, so we're gonna weld all the tacks up, and then we'll get it on the trailer next, I guess. Okay, got both sides tacked on there, and they're kind of loosely on there, but they're staying. What we plan on doing now is cutting these cross members here, and then those cross members over there, and then these down here, those down there, and getting it all squared up, and then we can put in our other beams here. Not worrying about those right now, just so I can get the top squared up. Okay, I got the frame all tacked up and square. Used a ratchet strap from this corner to that corner and back to get it all squared up. Got a cross piece there, a cross piece there. I don't have one here because the hinge for this cabinet's gonna be around here, so that way when it opens up higher. So yeah, we're gonna 100% weld everything now. It's pretty strong as it is, but we're just going to continue welding everything strong. And then I got to go away for a couple weeks, and then we'll get back at it. But so far, frame's looking pretty good. Not sure what I want to put here though. Not sure if I want to build my own door or buy a door. So I'm on the fence. So I'm either, if I build my own, I'm going to put another support somewhere, and then the door will act on that. If I buy a door, it'll look more professional. If I build my own, well, we'll see. Got it all welded up. 100% welded on everything. So, that'll be it for today. It's strong enough so I don't have to worry about it breaking or cracking as it gets cold outside. It shrinks and stuff like that, so put it away for a couple weeks and then come back at it.